So, welcome back to another HTML tutorial. Let's go now. Let's study tags and attributes. So, different tags have different attributes. For example, the paragraph tag. This paragraph. Copy that, paste it. So let's do another tag here. Header 1 tag. Let's say header 1 tag has another tutorial. Let's see. Now let's load this. Let's see what happens. So as you can see, it has a title, the header one, and the paragraph is here. Now let's make some adjustments using attributes. So an attribute, an example of that is maybe a line attribute. So do that. Write the attribute name, put equal sign, then you put these two signs. Now let's say whatever goes in here is either left or right, depending on where you want to position the paragraph. So if you want to position it left, so to indicate, let's say center. Let's press Ctrl Save, Ctrl S. Let's see what happens. As you can see, the paragraph actually goes right in the middle of the page. So that's what a line does. And let's say header 1. Let's put a line maybe right. As you can see, the header actually goes on the right side of the page. Put it back to center. It's better. And let's learn a few more attributes, because this is an attribute. An attribute you can put maybe is on the body tag. You can say background color. Let's change background color to maybe green. So as you can see, the whole page becomes green, the entire page. And that's what the background attribute does. And then let's see another attribute. Let's maybe see if we can change the text to white. No. Yep, we'll do that later. That's CSS. It's another whole other chapter. We'll do that later. Let's see what so there are different tags, maybe like horizontal line. It's a single tag. It also has a few attributes like size. Horizontal line is a single tag. It's unpaired. It doesn't actually have a closing tag and an opening tag. It makes it special. As you can see, horizontal line is this. Because I put 30 pixels, it was a little bit too big. Let's say 2 pixels. So that's the horizontal line. And this is the size attribute. Also, these attributes aren't used because you use CSS We'll have a gateway to CSS, and you need to learn this as well, as well as making an introduction to it. We teach you a small thing about comments. Comment is anything that really isn't part of your text, part of your the code that the browser actually runs. So you can write anything you want. This is a comment because it's invisible. If we go here and reload, there's nothing, no comment, simply because when you put these two tags, you're commenting out everything that's within these two tags. Anything in the middle of these two simply isn't considered when the browser is running the code. This is to help whoever the reader is, the reader of the code, to be able to maybe modify it a little bit without having any problems, confusion. So after we're done with this, let's just go straight to lists. Lists have two kinds. There's an ordered list. This is the format. So when you make these two tags of an ordered list, you have to close them, open it, close it. And you have to add each item on that particular list. Let's put several items, maybe 3. And let's just say something that's sweet. Let's say sweet. Let's say biscuits. That's not the right biscuits, not that family how. Let's say gum. Chocolate. So this is my list, and let's see what happens. As you can see, there's a list here, all this stuff. As I said, there's an ordered list. This ordered list. So this is the unordered one. Let's do the ordered list. I just copy all these, bring them back to the ordered list. The difference is one starts with U and the other starts with O. Now let's see the difference. See, the ordered list has actual numerical numbers, and this just has dots or bullets. You can also add some attributes to this. You can say, let's say type here square to the unordered list. As you can see, they become squares, tiny squares. That's it. And for this, you can also have type for Roman numerals. You can just say I. They become Roman numerals. So those are the attributes that are concerned with ordered lists and unordered lists. There are many attributes actually. There's square, there's circle, circle, you can see it changes into circle. And that's it. That's it for today. Please subscribe. See you again later.